Yeah, man, we're coming, baby. We are coming. What is up? Mex Boston, what is up? Tim? Call you Mex. Can I call you Tim? It's like, it's his name. What are you guys doing? Caleb, man. Caleb was first. Caleb, thanks for being here, guys. What are you guys up to, man? Guys, I am going to get right to work. What we're doing here is I'm trying to melee Godfrey without it's like no cheese. There's no cheese going on here, guys. This is just me trying to melee Godfrey is what it is, with no summons, which is kind of beyond the scope of what I've done very much. Yeah, I've definitely never done this. Never done this. Last stream we goofed with them a little bit, and it was kind of fun. And so we're gonna give her a shot now, and I'm gonna get better before your very eyes, folks. Before your very eyes. There we go. We're going in. This is pull number 1, guys. We got a death counter up. You got runes? No runes. That's good to know, guys. We don't never have to worry about them. Throw your stupid axe at me, bro. Throw your axe. Throw it. Okay then. Okay. I forgot to do this. What's up, up? Gonna run. Good. I could have maybe healed. Okay, I can't jump attack that, I guess. I can't just be too full of myself. I jumped! That wasn't that bad. That was... Hey, phase 2! No, there's no way! I got phase 2! I don't know how to do phase 2 melee. There's no way! There's no way! I just did it! I just freaking did it! I just did it! Okay, guys, this conclude. I'm stammering. This concludes the stream. Oh, no, I'm just kidding, guys. We're here for many hours. There's no freaking way. I didn't think I could do that, guys. I'm like mind blown right now. Like Courtney was just leaving. She's all, have a good stream. I said, you know, guys, I freaking can't even talk. I said, I'm trying something I've never done before. I said, it's not going to be easy. I said, but I can do it. I can do it. And you heard what I said. What you guys saw the thumbnail. Grinding Godfrey. 0 deaths. I just killed him. First pull. First pull. Wow. I'm freaking mind blown. I got 600,000 runes. Wow. Elden freaking Radagon? What? Now, good news for the thumbnail, guys. I got, guys, it's like I want to call Courtney and tell her I just did it on the first try. Look at this, guys. We got a fog wall, man. We got a fog wall. Now, Radagon, I might be able to finish this game tonight, guys. But we're not going to, because we have still Godfrey to do on the death sorcery build. Caleb, man, I stepped away thinking you were gonna struggle, and dude, I did struggle. I got hit like 3 times. Son of a gun. I didn't do anything, guys. I didn't do anything. How the hell did I get a stagger, man? Did the stagger carry over? I think it does. The poise might carry over. And I might have whacked him in phase 1. His poise was broke. And then I got a jump attack and I staggered him. That was insane. I can't remember ever being more shocked at doing something in this game. These are big, heavy swords. Okay? They are. But there's no cheese build here. The big bonks hit harder, and I have Royal Knight's Resolve that makes them hit really harder, like 30% more or something. And that's kind of like a cheese build. This isn't a cheese build, man. I mean, they're big, heavy swords. It's not a lot different than anything else. Everything's got its pluses and minuses. But wow, I just didn't think it was going to happen, man. Okay, guys, well, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. I freaking just blew my own mind. Now, we'll see if we can kill him with the Death Sorcerer. The Death Sorcerer is going to be a little bit different, but we're going to give it a shot. Let me get on, guys. Let me get back to Godfrey. Guys, I almost called this stream like all Godfrey all night, because I'm like, I have two of them to kill, and I know the melee one's gonna take me. I mean, I don't even know if I'll be able to kill him. You know, I don't know. Well, that got done. This guy's ready. Streamrock comes in at the opportune time. Let me get ready for the buffing sequence, folks, and we will simply... I don't think I should howl. I'm not gonna howl. Howl gets my... I don't know what this one does. But it can't hurt because I don't have anything else. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. Okay, I should have drank this first. I should have my other... Okay, for instance, and I did not do that on purpose. I hardly even hit him. You would think it's easier to fight this guy up close. But, I mean, you would think it'd be, you know, most things in life are easier from a distance, right? That's why I did this sorcerer on my first build. Wow, Charlie just got Godfrey on his first try. Dude, you love to see it. I'm telling you, man. One thing I said too, guys, and I mean, I'm not... This is not to toot my horn, but we just all know. If you guys know me, you know that oh wait, equipment. No, I have all the proper stuff on. I have gotten better at this game. I've been making myself get better. You know what I'm saying? That wasn't great. I took a bunch of hits. I just did enough damage to kill him before he killed me. I drank twice. I drank once, I think, on phase 1. And I drank once again, just coming into phase 2 before the grab. It's just crazy. I just don't get it. I don't even know what's happening right now, guys. Supposed to drink this first. Let's go. Okay. Okay. See the difference in the dam? Yeah, you know what I gotta do? I have to, see, that's the problem. It's the cast time is insane, guys. Yeah. I could try and melee him, because I did just melee him, right? This build is going to be, yeah, it's a lot different, Caleb. You're exactly right, man. Do I have Magic Scorpion Charm on? I don't. See, so I'm not doing huge damage, but I shouldn't be taking huge damage, but I am. This character just has, like, way weaker armor. He's a caster, man. He's a caster. Oh. Gotta do the nasty death, folks. Okay, we're gonna do this buffing in the correct order of sequences. I feel like there's something that he does that is holy damage. Am I right or am I wrong? Oh, I forgot Terra Magica too. Yeah, and the dam is so bad that I have to, like, literally just not get hit. You know what I'm gonna try and do? For starters, I think, because to keep my damage up... Wait a minute. Let me do this right. I'm using this, and I should be using this. That's definitely more damage. I had some spell cast time. But this should be much better. But I'm also using charged attacks, and charged attacks they take a long time, longer to cast. You know what I'm saying? I gotta stop getting greedy. I gotta be way more careful. Of course I can do that. Okay, now, see, because I did get greedy there. See, when I'm far away, he does that lunge thing. That. Where's he going? Yep, and I keep rolling back from those. Those are easier to look at the dam though, guys. Okay, look. What's that? 80%? 80%, right? Improvement. We made an improvement. I'm not going to jump to the melee build yet. Although it would be fun, guys. It will be fun. And wouldn't it be crazy if that's the way I freaking killed him was with the swords? Just like I did with the other guy. Oh, death. Okay. Come on. Better buffing sequence, folks. Wow. Those are great because I get the ammo. I actually wanted to do that again. Oh no. I dodged it. This is a new personal best though. I shouldn't have done that. I almost jumped that. I mean, I intended to jump it. I just blew it. But look at that. Improvement, right, guys? That's a new personal best. That's like between 60 and 65%, something like that. Yeah, man. You love to see it. You love to see it, folks. This is improvement. I can't quit if I'm breaking records. And the way I broke my record, so how do I improve on it, is by not being so greedy. I want to charge everything, but I can't. Maybe like a charged and then a non-charged, because that's when he comes after me, guys. Godfrey isn't playing nice with this build. No, he is not, man. That spell, like I said, I don't even know if it's doing any good. I should drink first. He's gonna lunge. He's gonna do it time. That was not charged. And I was able to, I could charge this one. Okay, not charged. How does he hit me with that? Woo! Woo! Oh my God. Okay. Hey, you know what though? I like there was value in that one too though, because I did some reasonable uncharged attacks, and when he attacked me, I was able to dodge at the last second. See that, guys? You saw what I'm talking about, right? Oh man, I didn't send a live alert out. No. Here we go. Hold on a second, guys. It's right here. I've got it all typed. All I gotta do is hit it. Well, that's no good, guys. There we go. Okay, cool. Now everyone just got. So now, because a lot of people rely on that live alert, man. I gotta remember to do that. I'm like, a little quiet tonight. We're starting off a little quiet. That's fine. We got an intimate group. I can read all the comments. You guys are here. You guys got. Hey, man. People will be like, what happened? Why didn't you send a live alert? I wanted to see you melee Godfrey on the first attempt. Okay, let's do this right, guys. Let's do this right. Hey, Adam Freeman, what's up? Stagner, what's up, dude? Stagner, did you try the blue bonnet? I shouldn't have charged that. I knew I shouldn't have charged that. Always knows when I'm a drink. Yeah. Stagner says, dude, great place, Blue Bonnet. Was it all right? Did you try the pie? Snagged a piece of pie. Had to. I'm exhausted now. Nice, Stagner. How's the hotel, man? Is it not too bad? I took the hotel. I mean, the hotel's been there forever. I know people have stayed there, but I didn't get a review of it. I'm just like, that's why I gave people options for other hotels, guys. Stagner's in town for the real life meetup, guys. Did they really? Nice. Nice. Yeah, I've got water side too. Do you have a view of the water? It's pretty cool, huh? You been to Texas before, Stagner, or no? Good things about that one. Excuse me, I burped. I had Subway. I stay alive longer. First time in Texas. Cool, man. Now, come on. We're burning golden vows because he gets the drink alert. What? Okay, I got time to whack him on that one. I gotta watch those. How am I supposed to avoid that? Okay. Now I just want to hit him. Yeah. Not even close. Because he gets the drink alert for the meat. No, first objection, need to find something to do tomorrow before the meet. Yeah, tomorrow I'm going to be doing nut. Oh, I'll tell you, Stagner, there's something going on. And I'm probably going to be there. I don't know what time, but a friend of mine's band is playing on Main Street, man. It's like right, I forget the name of the place. I call it there's a big old oak tree there. It's on Main Street. What the hell is it called? I need to find out what it's called. But a friend of mine's band is playing tomorrow. Wait, oh no, not tomorrow. This is Saturday. His band's playing from like 6 to 9. And our music's from like 8 to 11, right? And they're like within a block of each other. And so my buddy Sam's going to be playing. So before I go to Brass Hall at 8 o'clock, that show will start at 8. I'll probably be there a few minutes early. But my buddy goes on like at 6, right up the street. So I'll probably park and walk up and, go up there at 6, maybe grab something to eat and watch his band for an hour before I go down to our thing, 6 or 7, chill with Sam, then head to the Brass Hall. That's the idea, man. That's the idea. Yep. That's the plan, man. So, all things, like I said, there's so much stuff I got to do tomorrow, guys. Packing. I got to load some stuff out of my truck. I got to be sure I have everything I need in my truck. I would rather not have to come back and forth to the house. It's a little bit of a drive. Okay. What am I doing here? This spell. I don't think I have any other good spells to use on this guy. You know that? I really don't. So I think I think we are going to switch, guys. We're going to switch to melee, man. Because if you stay with him, right up in his face, you just have to watch him and dodge his attacks, and then once he stops, you can hit him. You're like, well, that sounds pretty easy. I mean, it's easy on paper, but it really is something. You know what I'm saying? What's in my Wondrous Physic? I don't want charged attack power. I want enemy stance. And I definitely want the damage negation. Okay, so we got that done. Now, equipment. We could change our enhanced charged spells and skills. I don't need that. No skills. I could use some stuff to keep me alive longer. I could use some, like, a faster stamina regen is good. This helps for sorceries. I'm not going to be doing sorceries. I could do jump attacks, like I did with the other one. And then, what's a good enhances charged attacks? I don't know if I'm going to be doing charged attacks. Boost vastly boost non-physical. I think he does mostly physical, right, guys? And then I could put on some, like this Crimson +2 and just give myself more health. There's a little melee build for you. Most good players would never put on this Crimson Amber medallion. You know what I'm saying? Texas is so much nicer than Oklahoma and in Kansas, but okay. Drew, you know what? I had to try it, man. And I don't think it is. Drew, thank you for that, by the way. I just was realizing it. But Drew, check this out. I don't know if you saw the thumbnail, but the thumbnail is this guy grinding Godfrey, because I have 2 Godfreys to kill. One on the Death Sorcerer, on this guy, and there was one on Tom and Perry, on the 2 grafted blade swords. That's the one we played with last night, and I told you I wanted to solo him, try him myself, because it's a challenge, right? Dude, I put the death counter up. Oh, by the way, I might have skipped one. I did it on my first attempt. I soloed, meleeed Godfrey tonight on my no summons. I did it on the first attempt. I got hit a couple times, didn't die, and then I got a stagger on Horlu, and it was over. It was over. I mean, I can't believe it. I was thinking I'm going to be sitting here grinding, stressful, thinking, oh my God, I'm never going to be able to do this. This is going to take way too long. It's going to suck. You know, yeah, dude, it freaking blew my freaking mind, man. Adam Freeman, my brother. Good to see you guys, man. Dude, I forgot to set the live alert, man, and then I realized you're screwing up. Oh, I could flame grant me strength? Because I'm going to be hitting, right? Because that helps with some physical damage, doesn't it? Stagner says, anyway, man, long night. Enjoy the stream. I'll see you around. Cool, man. Yeah, Stagner, dude, love you, brother, man. Come on back if you're still up. What NG is Tom and Perry? I don't know if he is. Maybe NG +1, but I'm not sure if he is. I don't know if I should have took that Divine Fortification off. Wait. I just went over there and then didn't do my spells. Yeah. So I didn't. I'm not sure, but if anything, it's NG +1. But I think it might not be. I think it might be the first playthrough. I really do. But we may have. I don't remember. Memorize spell. Tibia summons aren't going to help me now. I'm going to remove them. Now, I'm going to remove. This, I'm going to remove. Ghost Flame, I'm going to remove because I don't use it. Terra Magic, I should probably keep it up just because. And then Flame grant me strength. Raises physical and fire. Yeah, we're going to be doing some physical now. What is this one? Stagner, cool. Yeah, Drew, I think it might have been the first, I think it might be his first playthrough, and the reason why is because I think halfway through his playthrough, I was like, what's some fun big swords I can use? You know what I mean? And then Trey recommended that thing. No, but I got 2 of them though. So it might be NG+. It's probably NG+ if I have 2 of them. It has to be, right? Because I don't think anyone dropped it. It's possible he could have dropped it, though. Trey might remember. Drew says, I think NG Tom Imperial was sword and shield, then converted 2 power stand straight swords. Might be NG1. Yeah. Yeah, the thing is, he was sword and shield, but he came off of, but I put the shield away. And I had like some, and I didn't finish the game on him, I don't think, because I just had some like, I'll show you what I had. Oh, no, I'm not on him right now. I had some other sword, a long sword. It was like nothing, just maxed out. You know what I mean? Okay, Gold Vow. Wait, I want to get all the way here. This is going to be fun, guys. Give me some strength. Gold Vow. Oh, last playthrough. That took a few minutes, but you know what? It was the first attempt. Throw your sword at me, buddy. I know it. See, now that I'm casting, I can see when he's gonna do his attack. I should have not. The deal is to wait until he's done attacking. You know what I'm saying? I gotta wait until he's done. I gotta wait until, and these aren't slapping either. So, has any of the early folks met Charlie yet? No. Stagner came like pretty early. He came like a whole day. I figured the early people would be Friday, you know, but Stagner came a little early, but he got to go check out Austin. And yeah, this is not doing much damage, man. But I gotta learn how to just attack him correctly. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Not too bad. Here we go. Drink this. Get that. Get that. Get that. Oh, I gotta go, yeah. Now here. So I did that right. I missed it. I did activate both swords. No! He comes fast. I should have jumped. That was bad. Jump. That was dumb. Phase 2. I don't know the timing on that. Dude. Phase 2? I mean, I don't know. That wasn't bad. But the thing is, I'm not going to get a real easy phase 2. Yeah. I mean, phase... Dude, if I can even touch phase 2... Because phase 2, you have a reset where you can drink. You know what I mean? It's not like, you know, I have freaking 10... Oh, yeah. Yeah, I got a phase 2, man. It's just going to be a little bit of a longer fight, and I'm going to have to get better at Godfrey, and that, hence the thumbnail, folks. That was freaking awesome, though. I feel really, really good about that. And it was horrible. I mean, I made some huge mistakes. I got to be careful. Flasks, allocate. 11 and 3. 12 and 2. Now, the funny thing is, it's not a problem of running out of flasks, though. But now I just know if I end up getting really deep and I'm like short of flask, I'd be pretty mad. You know what I mean? But there's not enough time in these fights to drink that much. You have to avoid the damage, man. That's just all there is to it. Okay. There we go. You're about to try Godfrey. Cool. Bro. I didn't get a punish on that. That sucks. Let's just get in there. Dude, I don't know why I wait on that. Okay. I still love what just happened right there. I keep waiting on that one attack. I hesitate, and I know I gotta roll. You know? Can't promise I'll solo him, though, LOL. I will try a few. Drew, you could totally do it, dude. With your skills, bro, what I've seen you do. I mean, I never dreamed I could solo Godfrey with those big swords without a summons. Because it's harder than with the big bonk. The big bonk, you just run in and Royal Knight's Resolve and bonk him and take, 20% of his health. You just got to do that a few times here in phase 2. You know what I'm saying? It's not hard. This right here, if I could pull this off, I'll be pretty proud of myself. But after what I just did, I'll be like right now I have a little bit of confidence. Like, you know what? It's possible. And I'm doing a little bit better each time. And I got my buffing sequence down. So that'll be good. Okay. Throw it! I just wanted to punish. Two drinks, good. Okay, I gotta get in on this guy. Oh, I thought that's where the other one was coming from. I should have kept playing. I'm like, I just want the phase 2. You know what I'm saying? But that was still before. That was like a mental breakdown, is what that was. Like I made the wrong decision. I'm like, just whack him and see if you can get phase 2. No, what I should be thinking is go in there and roll around with him and just try. I should try and do no hit is what I should be trying to do. Ran at him when he does that first charge jump attack. And when he stomps, unload. Yeah, jump. I feel ya. Yeah, because because I have to jump anyway. When he brings a foot down, I could jump attack. I'll try that. This is freaking fun. I hope this is fun for you guys. Oh man, my death counter, guys. How many? After this, you guys got to tell me how many we think I missed. Probably 5 or 6. 5. Got lucky there on a reset. I couldn't even see in there. Come on. Get away from the edge. Reset. I jumped. Why would I jump that? Reset. Can you believe it? Yeah, I couldn't get in on time. Oh, I probably could have. Okay. Way better. Way better. I got grabbed. I have no idea how to melee this guy. Hey, I hit him a couple times, and I got to phase 2 relatively calmly. I mean, I took a bunch of hits. If I would have stayed with that run, I might have got a couple of hits on him. I felt like I didn't have enough time. I feel like I was too far away. I got every excuse in the world, but because I want to try that. Because after he does it, he sits it for a second, right? And that's a couple. I could do a jump attack and then maybe like 2 more regular attacks or something. Okay. Oh. Guys, so Stagner, get to check out the Blue Bonnet, guys. Blue Bonnet's good, man. It's just a coffee shop, you know, but they got the good breakfast foods. They got lunch and dinner too, but they got good pie, man. Good pies, multiple Multiple flavors. Whoa, whoa. That would be this button. And this button. Should I be doing the weapons first? Do they last longer? I feel like they're about the same. No! That was a... You know, I've done that. Dude, I tried to time the jump attack. That I should have just waited. Still some really good rolling with him. Still some really good rolling with him. This is gonna make me so much better. I can feel myself just getting slightly better, guys. I'm better than I was. You know what I'm saying? Because I really would love to melee, solo melee the expansion. If I do, I'm gonna be pretty behind the curve on getting videos up and stuff. You know what I mean? Everyone will already have. I am not going to be like world firsting or anything. The deaths, I got to start. I remember to do the deaths. I'm going to add like 6. We're going to go to 11. And then I think that's got to be pretty freaking close. And then I'll try and remember now. Come on. Drew, do you know if I should golden vow or vow and grant me strength or put do the weapons first? You know? I should just run to him, guys. Got it. Oh, that was cheesy, bro. Give me time to drink, guys. I think I'm too close to him when he does that. That was bad timing on the jump. Blast, golden bow, finger me strength, swords. Got you. Okay. Cool. Oof, got to 10%. Did you really? Flash, golden belt, finger, straight swords. Gotcha. Yeah, I'm doing it basically that way. I'll do it exactly that way, to be honest with you. I'm doing flame, grant me straight, golden vow, which is how I think I'm gonna do it. But the weapons last is okay. Wait, the damn messages, man, screw me up. Okay, here. 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 And in there. Not a bad buffer, guys. I'm starting to learn. See, baiting that jump attack is kind of... Why would I do that? No. Wow. Does the frost carry over? Because I got frost on him, dude. Billy Mullenix. I just try and panic roll those guys. Dude. Wow. Thank you. Oh, I had a hit there. I had a hit there. So, Drew, yours is NG +4. Drew, what are you up to, Billy? Billy, Mike Stagner just got into town, brother. Well, he got into town earlier today. He spent, I think, most of the day running around Austin having fun. And, yeah, man, tomorrow is the first event, 5 p.m. Well, that reminds me, I'm supposed to send a message to a friend. Guys, I'm going to do that right now. I'll tell you what it is, though. Because tomorrow night at 5 p.m., we are playing chess at the chess and pool at the Brass Hall, same place. And a buddy of mine, a local guy, plays chess. By the way, chess, and I'm telling you guys too, tomorrow, and pool, at Brass at 5. Just want you to know you're invited. There we go. Okay, cool. Because he plays chess, man. I played him chess before. I mean, he can play, guys. He can move to pieces. He can actually move to pieces, guys. I'll be at the hotel Saturday with my girl. Trey hooked us up with his reservation, riverfront views for the romantics. Nice, man. Riverfront views for the romantics. That's cool, man. I didn't know they had that. If they have that specific thing. I got the riverfront view. So, because there's a few bucks more, but I figure, hey, man, I don't know how many times you live. I only live once. Right? Strength. Just riverfront. Right, yeah, I love it. Yeah, so you can look at the window and see the... They call it Lake of Marble Falls. It's a river, I think, that got dammed up. That they dammed up, you know? I gotta stop doing the jump attacks, huh? And that's the one I keep missing. Run and don't let it hit me. Oh my god. Oh, he hit me with all three of those, man. Yeah, it was a mistake. When he does that big ground explosion thing, he recovers surprisingly quickly. For as big of an explosion thing it is, you'd think you'd have a second. Or a punish on that one. Because that one's nasty. That's just a bad news scenario. If you're just getting here, Billy, I didn't think I could melee him solo, man. I've done it one time on the Big Bonk, but that was Big Bonk hammers with Royal Knights Resolve. You know, they take like 25% freaking health with every hit and stuff, right? But I did it with the Grafted Blade Swords, man. I did it on my first attempt tonight. I had done like, I think 3 or 4 pulls the other night at the end of a stream, and I walked right in. I thought it was gonna take me all night. Billy, and I freaking knocked that sucker out. I was speechless. I couldn't talk. I couldn't even talk. There were some good moves there, guys. Believe and you shall achieve. Dude, I tell you, man, I was telling Courtney I wasn't that confident about it. I said I've never done this before. So gotta tell you. I knew that was a huge mistake. Got lucky. Now he's coming right at me. Usually bum rushes me right there. Yeah, okay. One thing about this guy, the Death Sorceries, yeah, they don't work real good on him. They don't work real good on him. It was nice to see him with the Frostbite on him, though. Going into phase 2. It carries over, doesn't it? Does that carry over, Billy? If I've got Frostbite on him in phase 1, and will Horlu have it or no? Do you know? It should. I mean, it should because I want it to, not because it actually should. Here we go, folks. Oh, 1, 2. I think we're back on count on the death counter, folks. Can't do jump attacks. That attack is not good for me. Why wait so long, Charlie? Why would I wait so long? There's always a 3 attack, you big dummy. Why you...
Tarnished warrior.
Yeah.
'Twas nobly
It's okay.
fought.
I'm really getting comfortable with this. More than I was. I've never learned this thing like to where I could do it perfect. You know what I'm saying? I've almost learned nothing to where I could do it perfect. Melee. I can read the phase 1 of Malekith without the caster without getting hit. That's pretty easy though, right? But I still can. I'm still proud of it. And I swear I take longer to recover and longer to roll. Spacebar just ain't working. Oh, is it giving you a hard time? Is it giving you a spacebar? Is giving you a hard time, my brother? Let's get in there. Well, it's a brand new keyboard. Just feel, yeah. New keyboard can be crazy, man. I mean, if you really think about it, how. Bad. That was bad timing. That was a panic roll, so yeah. I did a panic roll, and then it was all the timing was off. I got to get better at recovering from the timing on the panic rolls. Once I panic roll, attacks coming quicker than I expected to. Everything. It throws me off. I think it's just a choke reflex that I need to eliminate out of my game. Caleb says, hey, Bailey, what's up? If you're feeling the vibe, like, follow, and subscribe. That's true, guys. Subscribes are free this month, folks. Okay. There we go. Like what you see? Oh, God, come on. We're burning daylight here, folks. Yo, what's good? War Alibi, what are you up to, my brother? Dude, I came in to do 2 melee Godfrey, no solo Godfreys today, and I did the first one on my other character on the first attempt. Now, here we are. Whatever that is, 15 deaths. Okay, let's go, we're burnt. Wow. I don't know why I thought I could drink that. I don't know why I thought I could drink there, but I did. What you doing, buddy? You're so big. Why 3 that time, but not 3 last time? Wow.
'Twas nobly fought.
I think, did I hit the R button? Not really blaming my equipment. Feels like these bosses have different recovery rules. What be good with you, War Alibi? How you doing, my brother? You gaming tonight? You playing? I know when I'm watching YouTube, I'm usually gaming, man. I'll be playing chess. I'll be playing this. I'll do something. You know what I mean? Not like watching a streamer and gaming alongside him, folks. Okay. Starting a new playthrough right now. Actually, very cool, dude. Which is Bill going to be, my brother? Yeah. Drew's already interested, so am I. There we go. jumped. I remember now. I can't be that close to him. And I jumped that. Okay, I deserved everything to happen there, but you know what? There were a couple of good things that I felt good about what I did. I keep running on top of him. And jumping his attack, and like I'm hitting his body. So where else? I said trying out Sword of Night and Flame. Heard some good things. Nice in Fate builds. Yep. Pretty much guaranteed. Yeah, dude. I'm sure every time you bring it up, first thing people say, that was nerfed, that used to be really good. Yeah, right? It's like with the Mimic Tier. I'm telling you, I remember the day they nerfed the Mimic Tier was the day I got my Mimic Tier. My first Mimic Tier. When I got my Mimic, that day it was the patch. I could probably find the date. And so I never get to have the old Mimic Tier used to be real strong. It's still one of the best summons, right? Depending on situationally. But the Sword of Night and Flame used to be they nerfed it, man, because it was too much. It was too much. It still probably is a pretty cool weapon. I actually wouldn't mind trying something like that one of these times too. I'm not going to beat my head on this all night, guys, although I am going to go pretty hard. Ooh, wait a minute. Wait, we got to get the death count. Okay, I want to do this. I want to do this right now. What the hell am I going to do in Horaloo? Well, no. Phase 1. Let's get Phase 1 mastered. Horaloo will take care of herself. There's only nerf stuff in PvP because PvE never hurt anybody. That's so true. Be aggressive. Be aggressive. Wow. I didn't believe that I dodged that one. How did he get lucky on that one? Oh my god. That was the move, dude. That was the move. And you know what? Oh, yeah, so Drew, I was asking, did anybody answer this? I was asking, if I put Frost, if he's inflicted with Frost on Phase 1, I just nailed him with it right there, does that carry over into Phase 2? Zachary Taylor, how you doing, man? That was not a bad pull, guys, because some of those dodges were I'm getting them dialed in a little bit, man. Do you guys know? Great work. Could have hit him with the jump attack when he did the big slam. You're not sure. Okay, cool. That's good enough. Good enough for me. I mean, the biggest difference is don't get hit as much. You think poison does? Okay. What's going on with you, Zachary Taylor? See, He hit me with that, though, didn't he? He didn't. That was no hit, guys. Two melee solos. Two melee solos. Godfrey in 16 attempts. 17 attempts. I freaking did it. I did it twice. I cannot believe what just happened tonight, guys. It's like when Gary Kasparov won the World Chess Championship, I believe he was 21 years old. Breaking news. When Gary Kasparov won the World Chess Championship, I believe he was 21 years old. I thought it was his mother that said this. I read it in a book myself, his own biography, but someone else said it was a friend of his mother or something. And she said, I feel sorry for you. An older lady tells this 21-year-old kid who just became the World Chess Champion and the youngest World Chess Champion, I believe, ever. I feel sorry for you. And he said, why? And she said, because today is the happiest day of your life and you're only 21. And I feel like that right now about this stream. I'm like, the stream's only an hour and 15 minutes old. I gave myself pretty lofty expectations, guys. 2 Godfreys. Melee only, no summons. What? What? Try installing Elden Ring on PS5 offline, so no parts applied. Oh, he's gonna check it out before nerfs, huh? That was insane, guys. That was freaking insane. Dude, I got that stagger. And who was it that said, gotta be aggressive, be aggressive? That was Drew. And I think you were talking about phase 2, right? Because I'm like, what am I gonna do with Horaloo? Is that when you said that? Because that's what I took it as. I'm like, okay, be aggressive with Horaloo. And that's what I did. And we got the stagger, man. Woo! Cute, guys, I was so... When I get the stagger, I couldn't believe it. I'm like, am I going to kill him right now? Like, I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. Yeah, dude. It's too much, man. It's too much. Howdy, Watchful. How you doing, brother? Okay, well, oh, we got to rest. I mean, we're still in this guy. Oh, there's a grace there now, right? I didn't grab that grace. I just won a freaking. We got points now too. Level up. Oh no, we don't. Not on this character, we don't. I gotta grab the grace. Yeah, great work. Yeah. Drew, that's why I was aggressive. And you saw me be aggressive. And what happened? Woo! The frostbite was there. The freaking the stagger, man. The stagger. Man. Remember I had the 2 million runes the other night that I had to get back out of Plastiducks? We got them. Barely. I went and farmed 500,000 runes. Took me, it's like it's 5 swipes or whatever. A little over 5 swipes, maybe. 5 swipes of the Albironics. And I'm like, I'm looking at my stats. 80 Vig, 65 Mind, 55 Endurance, 80 Strength, 80 Dex, 80 Int, 80 Faith, and Arcane was at 10. So I'm like, screw it. I put a point in Arcane. And then I sat there and was watching YouTube videos, and I farmed up another 2.5 mil, and it's about 100,000 per swipe. And so about 25 swipes, and I put another point in Arcane. So now I'm level 453. And I went and farmed Foul Feet. They say that is not worth the time. You know what I'm saying? It's not efficient. You might as well just stay there and just farm without the foul feet. If you have them, use them. But if you're going to go farming foul feet, it's a waste of time. It's not worth the time. You know what? I wanted a break from swiping the Albironics and wiping the Albironics. So I'm like, I'm just going to go down by the beach, shoot my arrow, and farm some foul feet. And I did. You know what I mean? I understand it's not the most efficient. I think there's no rooms here. So, equipment Oreo. This is Frost. Frost can help against Radagon, right? I know fire's better. You are too humble. You got mad skills, dude. Billy. I know, man. Dude, it was a no-hit for phase 1, though, huh? It was a no-hit phase 1, right? I think it was a no-hit phase 1, guys. I think. Yeah, because I didn't have to drink. I'm trying to think if I drank in the middle of it. Believe me, I'll be watching it back. And I was coming back here to do what? Let's just go in, man. Let's just go in and goof around, guys. Okay, I've only meleeed this fool before with the big bongs, so I don't really know how to deal with them up close. But you can like jump attack him, right? Right out of the gate. Put some poop on him, if you will. I know Elden Beast with these two swords is just gonna freaking take a long time. Well, he'll take damage. He just won't take the status effects, right? And these things hit okay, but they don't hit real hard, man. I wish it was more 100% physical, but it is like a bunch of physical and a bunch of magic. Okay. Yep, bad timing, and I mean that timing is the same for everybody. Dude, I tried to time it, and I was trying to time the jump attack. There's no way. That should be out of that. Dude! I can totally kill Radagon melee. I can totally kill Radagon melee, man. First attempt I was getting pretty risky. He is, dude. He is. I also feel, I don't know, I might be just again not having any confidence, but I feel like he went easy on me. You know what I'm saying? Oh, wait. Lord's Divine Fortification. I have that. Great attempt at what? Thank you, Truth. I have Lord's Divine Fortification, guys. That's the move. That is the move. I'm not going to have a little more Flame grant me strength, but I don't care. Because that one is what... That one has done so good for me. Memorize spell. Guys. We are going pure melee, guys. The Lord's... Oh, wait. An equipment. Oh, yeah. See, this one probably. You have to use the holy negation thing, right? I mean, isn't that kind of the... the maneuver. And I'm leaving this up too. They added a Radagon moveset to a boss in Arch Groans mod for DS3. He summons 4 helpers and deals frost damage instead of holy. That mod looks so brutal. Huh. Arch Thrones. Yeah, I don't know that game, man. No! Oh, because I didn't... Okay, it was a little slow of a buffing sequence, guys, but we're in it. We're in it. We're in it to win it, folks. Yeah, that usually I'm not underneath him for that. Oh yeah. That was a jump. That was a jump. I know that jump too. What? I knew there was one more attack coming there. Now I just want to stay alive. Why do I think I can do two attacks there? The delay is crazy. And of course, they just steal your health pots. If you're feeling the vibe, like, comment, and subscribe. It's essentially Dark Souls 4 overhaul Dark Souls 3, new maps, new bosses. Nice. So they what? They change the skins on the bosses and change their spells and their attacks or something, but it's just a mod? Is that what's going on there? That sounds like a pretty cool thing, especially for hardcore people that can't get enough of the game, right? Okay, I'm not going to get hit. I'm going to do 2. I'm going to do a jump attack, and I think a charge attack. And then I'm going to roll. Oh my god, I tried to jump that. Oh my god. Pick my hand off that freaking pick my hand. This... Wow! Okay. There's no way. I gotta just chart. I gotta roll at the right time, guys. Radagon is rough, guys. Radagon is rough. I wonder what Trey's doing tonight, man. Hope he's living. Hope he's doing something fun. Billy Monlick says it's a mod that has been in the works for 4 years. It has bosses with new designs, but pre-existing move sets. Some from Sekiro, some from Demon Souls, some from Elden Ring. There's a Godfrey type boss, but it's all. It's dark, but it's Dark Souls 3 modded. It's a mod for Dark Souls 3, right? Have you been playing it? Is it pretty cool, did you say? Yeah, it sounds cool, man. Okay. I can do better. I expect better from myself. Come on, baby. But I'll be the anti-mod voice. It ain't canon. It ain't worth it. Look, there's no jumping here in baseball, okay? I just came off of... Oh, my... Who didn't see me... screw up like that before? Okay? I gotta dodge that faster, but I got my divine fortification on this. Come on, come on, come on. We gotta get it. Hey, we're back in the fight, folks. We might see enemies yet. What do you, how do you deal with that as melee? How do you deal with that as melee when she jumps straight up? Can I look up? I guess I look up? I've also watched it and haven't really been a mod person myself. But he says, looks almost identical to Elden Ring's graphic. It has Elden Ring's parry system. I unfortunately can't because I don't have PC. Oh, I see. Billy says, I think it's super interesting. Fighting Sekiro bosses with traditional Souls fighting style instead of Sekiro's posture breaking system. Boom. Got Godfrey. Congratulations, Drew. Now, I got to Elden Beast, Radagon and Elden Beast on my other playthrough as well. So I might do this for a little while longer. I'm kind of learning some of the stuff. It's going to be a lot different because it's a lot slower. A lot slower. It's going to be like, you gotta whack on a fool, and that's all you get. And I'm probably going to have to pick and choose my spots more carefully, too. How's it going, Rhodes? Dude, my night is already freaking made after those Godfreys, man. I need to freaking focus up on Radagon because, gotta jump that, I guess, the foot. Gotta go in. Wow. Oh my god, I walked into the poopy. Get up. There's no way. Dude, I know how to dodge those. I know how to dodge those. I don't know how the hell I got hit by that. 300 versus 300 hours versus ER's 1400 though. Oh, you play DS3 a ton? Okay. The amount of gameplay just doesn't matter to me if it's not official. I'm all about others getting more enjoyment, but it's just not real to me, so I can't enjoy it. Yeah, that's funny, Drew. Yeah, for me, I don't really feel that way so much about mods. I don't like the idea that if I run mods, I have to run it offline or else I can get my account banned. It's like, I just don't know. But I mean, it's like, but everybody does it. And I'm not talking about everyone cheats. I'm saying everyone runs mods. A lot of people do. Not everyone. Drew doesn't. But all your top streamers will all use like the trainers and stuff so they can skip right to a boss. You know what I mean? They can change things. You know, and to me that's freaking fun. If you're playing it offline, I think it should be. I think it should be fine for me. But I still really don't do it. You know, if the mod is on a first-person shooter or some fun multiplayer game like Unreal Tournament, it really adds to the experience. But something as in-depth as Elden Ring, I stay away. Yeah. That's just personal experience or personal preference. The mod actually runs online multiplayer as well. Does it really? Yeah, I'm more of an Elden Ring guy myself. The mod actually runs online multiplayer as well. That's cool. I feel like I want to get phase 2, guys. I feel like I want to get phase 2. What do you think? I mean, I had the first attempt, I think, was the best one, and I had him at like 25%, 20%? 20%. We're going to call it 20%, guys. Uh-oh. We're going to call it 20%, folks. If you're new to the stream, my name is Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, we play Elden Ring After Dark. I did both of my melee Godfreys tonight. One of them was on the first attempt. I'm not a great Souls player. I'm not a great meleeer. I've meleeed Godfrey solo before, only with the big bonk in the Royal Knights Resolve, and hit him twice here in phase 2, that kind of thing. Cheese kind of stuff. I did it with these freaking steeples, and I did it with the grafted blade swords. They hit hard, but I mean, it was not 3 hits. I had to play Elden Ring, guys, and I got it, man. I did 2 of them, guys. It was I wasn't even sure I'd be able to do one of them. That's how little experience I have melee Elden Ring, melee solo. Yeah, just mechanic roll more, Charlie. It'll be good for you. That was bad. Yep. Okay. Yep. I mean, so many of these things. I don't even know how to. I don't even know how to avoid them. Like this one. Yeah, I was lucky I got a hit there. How much? I feel like there's no animation there. It's like, when he brings his hand down, roll to avoid the grab. It's like he's like, and I feel like I'm making plenty of space because I didn't have that problem with the caster, but I was starting out at range, right? I was starting out at range, so I already had some distance. Although I was close to him a lot of times. I had to be close to him on my Snow Witch build. Lots of times, lots of spots of the fight I was close to him, rolling through him and stuff. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Quick buffing scene. Let's go. Let's go. Get him in there. Dude, I swear I just saw your white phantom die. That's 2 streams in a row where I saw you. Dude, that is really cool, man. That is really cool. You saw the grab. I mean, it'd be hard to miss, right? That was not a good time, but you know what? I have to learn the cue for that. My buff saved me, though. Give me up, 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 give me up. Well, that's gonna put me away now. Oh my God. I didn't have my health pot up, guys. I didn't even look because I just knew for a fact it was up, and it wasn't. That's pretty cool, man. That you saw my shadow die. That's kind of neat. Kind of neat, man. So you're fighting Radagon too right now. That's awesome, dude. You just got right with it, just like I did, huh? I'm gonna give this a few more tries. Well, maybe we'll start the death counter over on the next guy, because this Radagon that was actually intended for Godfrey. Okay. Let's do this. I wonder if I can do 2 jump attacks. Seriously doubt it. No. I don't know why I think I'm gonna freaking dodge that. I mean, jump that. If I'm away from her, I'll jump it. Hey, I beat the grab, guys. I got lucky there. That was a panic roll. Okay. These guys I saw fell to his knees. Didn't see the grab. Seen same helm. If it was when you said that, I think that was when I got grabbed. I think we're going to take a break from this, and we're going to try the grafted blade swords. And I'll try and do a death counter for this. I just got to remember to, all you got to do is remember to push the freaking button, right? Okay. Here we go, guys. These things bonk. They bonk. These things are going to be good for Elden Beast. I might be better off two-handing one. Tom and Perry level 170. Oh, this guy's runes too. He's only level 170, so he might get a level, guys. One thing about him, guys. One thing about Tom and Perry are his stats. Very proud of his stats. They're a little bit fun. My vigor is 50. My mind is 23. My endurance is 50. My strength is 69. My dexterity is 32. Int, faith, and arcana. Wherever they started. Okay. Level up. Oh my god. Yeah, we got 3 levels. Int, mind, endurance. I mean, I could go up on Vig. Vig and endurance. And dex. And I probably have a million freaking runes. I've got a Lord's. I've got a Hero's. I've got 2 Remembrance of the Blasphemous. So this is NG plus 1. And like some of these I could burn. Because I think I'm going to need to burn one of these anyway. At least. To get 3 levels. We'll see if this will do it. Vig. Strength am I changing? My weapon slaps pretty hard. If I have 3 levels, I'm thinking 2 Vig and 1 dex. Or maybe... I mean, endurance... Should I leave my endurance at 50 or should I try and work to 55? I think we have... Our endurance is 55 on one of our other builds. I'm trying to remember, but that's like the guy that's level 452 or whatever, right? Should I be looking to get my endurance up a little bit? Because really, it really is slapping pretty good. I don't think I need... I don't think I really need the, like, my weapon, I think, it scales a little bit with dex, but not much. But it's something. It's something. Let's just put all three in. Let's put all three in big. Because 60 big, I know, is a reasonable number. Stance break easier. I might get a stance break on Radagon. Not gonna get. Oh, I could get stance breaks. Can you break the stance on the freaking on what's his freaking face? Holy damage negation. Holy damage negation, I think, is the biggest one for this. And the jump attacks are going to be huge. Stamina, that's it. This might be it, guys. This might be a reasonable attempt. Probably should have made more health pots. Okay, it's gonna be fun, guys. First attempt on this guy. We'll give this guy some see if we can get to phase 2. If I can get to phase 2, I can finish the game with this guy. Radagon is the next question. So you said Trey is going to have a hard time with Radon, so he was needed with patch. You get strength to 70. You're hilarious. Look at the dam. Look at the dam, guys. I wanted the freaking Phase 2, baby! Phase 2, baby! Phase 2, baby! This one... Where is he? Dude, I can finish this. I mean, it's been a minute. It's been a minute. I still... I gotta remember how you taught me how to see where he's gonna go. What? Shouldn't have done that. The belly flop got me. Ran away in the direction. He's facing when, though? Oh, like if he's looking at me when he does it, just turn around and run away? He'll usually be facing at me, right? Caleb Boyd says, I am sure Trey is aware also. I was just trying to get clarification. Okay. Flying into the air, but he's spinning when he's flying into the air. You told me one time and I understood what you meant. Now I don't get it. He's spinning when he's flying into the air. So I don't get it. I gotta be aggressive, be aggressive. Flying into the air, he spins as he flies into the air. That's what I don't get. I hate when she does that. She doesn't do it too much, but I hate when she does it. Don't know how to. I know how to do it. Okay, he's started to spin, but he'll be looking a certain direction as he's floating up. Oh, really? What is he like? Turning his head and his body spinning or something? I'll try and look harder, man. As he flies into the sky. I gotta go watch a video of it. Or just pay you just a lot of attention. I think we might have got... Oh, I haven't even been doing my death counter, guys. That was one good one, and then a bad one, and then another one, and then that one. All right. As he starts floating up, turn around. When he's floating up, I swear he's spinning. He's not spinning? Okay. Well, I'll tell you. You told me before and I thought I had it, and then like I've completely brain farted it out of my freaking brain, and now I'm just like, I can't even understand what you're saying. But that's on me. It's not on you. Then so watch before he starts spinning. Okay. Before he starts spinning. Oh, come on. There's my freaking jump attack. Wow. Like I've never freaking beat that before. Dude! Radagon! Gone! Gotta get somebody that stand back. I didn't see which way he was looking. I didn't see which way he was looking. I looked at him. I just didn't look hard enough, I guess. I'll figure it out. Thank you. You said enough to where now I know I can freaking figure it out. I need my stamina. I need it back fast, buddy. This could have been a little bit closer for that one. Wow. Okay, that could have been worse. That could have been worse. Wow, waste a pot right there, man. Wow, that was the slam. I'm afraid to run at him too much, guys, because my stamp. Rizzy! Oh my god, he freaked me out. I'm topping off, guys. I'm topping off. I didn't see where he was looking. I had no idea. Oh my god, another one. Oh my god, he got me with the freaking run through. That sucked because that would have been a great punish. That would have been a great punish. Gosh, it's a long fight, folks. All right, guys. We got to go on bow off. And it cost me health pot. But we still got to go on bow for the rest of the fight. Come on, man. He's gonna move on me. I gotta do some damage, guys. I'm getting tired. Roll in the fire. Got him, guys. Woo! Dude. Now, these are not the big bonks, but I gotta be honest, guys. They're pretty good. They're pretty slapping. Just gotta be patient, man. I don't. Wait. These are the runes from the other thing. That there's nothing there. I should grab the gray saw. Dude. I think I kind of lost track, man. I think Snow Witch was my 20th, right? I made a YouTube video about it. But I think I've killed some since then, but with help. But that was my second completely solo. That was my second solo. No, it was my third. It was my third solo Elden Beast. Second. What do you call it? Melee. Do we mend the ring? Use mending rune of the Death Prince. I have an option, guys. I'm right behind you, man. We'll get with it, man. I killed 2 Godfreys tonight. And an Elden Beast. Thank you, Caleb. Which ending do we want, guys? Mend the Elden Ring or use mending rune of the Death Prince? I think it's mending rune of the Death Prince, right, guys? Because, well, I was going to say, because this is the Death Sorcery spell, but it's not the Death Sorcery spell. I think I'm going to go... I've done them all, guys. Mending rune of the Death Prince, guys. We're going to go for it. Hold on one second. Let me record here, too. All right, guys. The Mending Rune of the Death Prince ending on my second solo melee playthrough. No summons, baby. Why at Grace here if you can't come back? It is funny, Caleb. So what's the lore on this, guys? You guys know all the answers. Cannot believe it's 10 o'clock. And I just killed the Elden Beast. I can't believe I was scared of Radagon melee. Although these things hit hard. But I beat Radagon once with the Death Sorcerer guy. Always weak to Frost. I don't know if I could, I might be able to Radagon with spells. Back to the Death Sorcerer spells.
The fallen leaves tell a story.
Doesn't it say that in every ending?
Of how a tarnished became Elden Lord.
It's me.
In our home, across the fog, the lands between. Our seed will look back upon us and recall the age of the Duskborn.
The Age of the Duskborn. Show him some credits, buddy. Damn. I always played with my music off, and I didn't usually have this music in the background. So, the first time I finished the game, I'm like, wow. The silence is deafening, right? It's like, so quiet. How cool is that? The black screen with the credits and just dead silence. Like you've been through hell. You've been through everything. You've done it all. And then it's just over and it's quiet. And then I realized, oh, you had the music shut off. So there's music playing usually right here, right? In any case, the hitboxes and his speed was killer on day one. I can say from personal experience, I haven't seen some of the attacks he used to use in my more recent bouts with him. It was unfair. Oh, you guys are talking about some other boss. Oh, you're talking about Radagon. Drew says, I don't know, I still get my butt handed to me once in a while. Sometimes I kill him before he can reach phase 2. I think it's Mandela effect. Man. Okay, I saw enough credits. Begin journey number 3. Yeah, that was NG plus 1. No. No. You guys are talking about Radon. Okay. Yeah, speaking of which, my Radon is gone. I think Fia's Dragon is gone, too. I think I've... Oh. How do you get over here again? Oh, through Ansel or something. Yeah. But that's not here, is it? It's over here. Oh, that's Deep Root. Ansel River, Maine. And this one says... What did that thing say? Deep Ansel Well. Yeah. Gotta get Rennie's ring to get through Ansel. You can't I parkour down the Baby Moog, or is that to go somewhere else? If you're feeling the vibe, like, follow, subscribe. I could check on Randy, but I have no idea where I am in that quest line. You know what I'm saying? What I usually do when I don't know is I just go to Randy's house. Let's go to Randy's house. It's like she's either sleeping or she's awake. She's talking. She's not talking. Usually she's sleeping. My experience in visiting Randy at her house is that she's freaking sleeping. You know what I'm saying? That's just my experience with her. Can a guy hit a freaking Windows key, please? There we go. Dude, I should be playing guitar, man. Parker behind Baby Moog is to get 3 fingers. To get 3. No, but there's a invisible wall, right? Okay, she's gone. So I should be done with her malarkey, right? Oh, if I did that, then I beat Fia's Dragon. Okay, that makes sense. But there was another reason. Because Fia's Dragon, I would go to, yeah, Prince of Death's Throne. Yeah, you're right. I have that. Go grab her ring from Renala. Renala has a ring?
Where did he flee, my sweetings? Come out from whence ye hide.
Dark Moon Ring.
There are books and light aplenty.
Now what do I do with the Dark Moon Ring?
Come out, say I.
Oh, that was the thing to go to after Estelle, right? I haven't killed Estelle, though. How have I not killed Estelle, but I just got the ring? Usually I kill Estelle right over here. And then I port back to Ranny, get the ring, and then I come back and it opens up the door. It's because I ended the game. Is it because the game's over? Did I screw up because the game's over? The Grand Cloister, guys. How did I get that without killing him? Is Estelle even going to be there, guys? Now go fight Estelle and pass through the fog wall. Oh, so I got the ring because I because I finished the game. Usually I get the ring because I beat Estelle. Feel? I don't know, man. Estelle's gonna be a freaking hassle, bro. But you know what? This thing's freaking bonk. This thing's whack, bro. They slap. I hate getting any of that poopy on me, guys. You can rest in coffin from here? That's hilarious. I thought I had to jump onto it. I don't think I've ever beaten the game and then come back and done this. I might have. I still just can't. I just can't believe that Tom and Perry with these big swords finished the game without. This was not a no summons playthrough. I just kind of turned it in. I've kind of just wanted to start not summoning so much. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I'm just not in the mood, and I'm like, I'm summoning. Sometimes. Like, I wanted to do that. I wanted to do that. I did, Metallica on myself, too. It's crazy to me. It's just crazy talk to me. But it's not as hard as it seems, I guess. And I've proven to myself tonight a little bit of something. Alright. Now, we got Estelle. Yeah, I don't know. It depends on when you did what. Really, once you get a certain point, some side quests progress, even or if you started them. Yeah, that's kind of what happened here, man. Because I don't remember ever opening that chest unless this fog wall was down, Estelle was dead, and I ported back there to get it, and then I come right back here and do my work. Okay. Do it! Well, okay. Okay. Ooh, I dodged an attack? Estelle's gonna be pissed. Head, bro. Oh, one of those poopers. If I can get a bonking, you're gonna be sorry. Oh my god, I gotta get right on him. Ooh, I hit him. Okay. I did some damage. Oh, I didn't know that was going to be that attack. So you're saying I got to get up on him? Oh, come on, I rolled. Okay. That's not good. If I get picked up... Wow. Okay. Well, here we could easily run out of health pods, guys. Yeah, here I could easily run out of health pods. Hey, I dodged one. I got some damage. All the newspapers. I should untarget it. Oh, come on. Give me a jump attack, please. Come on. You make me waste all my health pots, bro. What? Did you guys know he was going to do that? Did you guys know he was going to do that? Do you guys know that move? This ought to be cake. Yeah, ought to be. I think I should not be targeting that. Am I right? Because targeting, like, it messes, like, with my movement and stuff. You know what I'm saying? I can do better. Let's do better. Wow. So I see that tail. I'm going to slow down for a second. There we go. I'm going to start dodging some attacks, guys. You know what? Makes you nervous. And I might have to start. Well, that's looking pretty good. You better shoot with the laser because that's all you got. Second attempt, same as the first. No, not same as the first. Got him. That's what you were thinking, Billy, when you said this ought to be cake, right? Yeah, you were thinking like this ought to be cake, and then I went in there and couldn't hit him. Untargeting was a huge help. I think I might have still targeted from Habit at some point. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Got a Stell. That felt good. That felt good. These things bonk. Ooh, dude, there was a crapload of runes on the floor, bro. But where were those from? Oh my god! Those were the Elden Beast runes, guys. Oopsie. Alright, I gotta do something else, LOL. Not gonna try to beat Elden. Radagon, Elden Beast Knight. Sometimes that's the way to do it. War Alibi says just need a warm-up. Yeah, man. Thank you, War. Guys, I have a ton of freaking levels, guys. 2 Vig. And I think I want to get Endurance at 55. Endurance at 55 I think is good, right, guys? That's not too bad. And how much am I? They're only 23K, man. But I'm not even going to where's the secret? This is the way, right? It should be blocked. Once they have the ring, it's just open. I don't have to like click anything. I don't remember, man. This build does shred War. Yeah, I love this build, man. It's been very fun. It's been very freaking fun. And this takes me where? I'm trying to remember. Yeah, you have the rings. Yeah, you have the ring to seal. The seal is just gone, huh? I expected to be... I'm going to put the death counter off. Now, screw it. Leave it up. I expected to still be fighting... Oh, now this will be a challenge solo. This will be a real challenge solo. Because I can slap this fool. But, oh, he's going to be slapping me. Where's that Grace? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. See, this is why I wanted to get this part done. Because I wanted to see if we can cheese the Black Knife Tish. You have the ring sealers broke to marry my wife. Okay. Equipment. This one can go to magic. equipment. Everything else will stay the same. We're going for jump attacks. I don't think we're going to get a bunch of poise break on this guy, but, wait, is that what I have on here? Yeah. We'll see. I'm a pretty big bonker, folks. Can I run? Oh, I can run almost up to here, right? Get him. Get him. Oh, no. Wait. He hit me. That was no hit, guys. He hit me. Okay. I thought it was going to be challenging. Guys, I'm only here for the Starlight Sharks. Light work. Dude. I wanted so bad to run around to see if I could repost him, but I was too far in the back, and I'm like, it was so close. I took a little bit of damn, man. Starlight shards to me are like, I don't know, man. Just being a caster, these things seem to me like they could make a difference in a boss fight. You know what I mean? They could make a difference in a boss fight. If you did, there could be a time where starlight sharding outside a fight could just be all the difference. I mean, usually they're not that freaking. You're not splitting those kind of hairs, but I'm just saying. Starlight shards, I feel kind of bad that I've used too many starlight shards on my my Death Sorcerer. Oh, I wonder if I've done all this on my Death Sorcerer. If I did Estelle, because I could go get more starlight shards before. Oh wait, we'd get the grace before the expansion. That was pretty nice. These things slap, dude. They just slap. Is that all of them, guys? I will leave no starlight shard behind, folks. There's none out here, is there? Free starlight shards, guys. You gotta grab them. No, there's nothing out here. Nope. No Lucy's, nothing. Just a bunch of running around. Feels good, though. Feels good to run around. Okay, let's go see Ranny the Witch. Let's go see Ranny the Witch, get some free loot. I'll turn the lights on for you guys in case it gets dark down there. Where's it? Is it right here? Yeah, now we're done, right? She's like, who's coming? Don't worry about it, Ranny. You're all jacked up. No place to go. Whoa, that was an awesome jump, bro. All right, moving forward into Ranny the Witch. Come on, man. You can't get down. Put the. You gotta. Can I get behind her? What's he gonna say? Time for fingers. Oh my God! Can you guys believe what we just saw? Can you believe that message, guys? I knew it was gonna be good. I think it was gonna be rude. Rude. Almost a no hit. Almost a one hit. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring After Dark, guys. I stream pretty much 8 p.m. pretty much every night. tomorrow and Friday, or tomorrow and Saturday, I have to take off, guys, because I am going to be. We're having a real life meetup, man. I've been streaming for 3.5 years, and I got people coming into town. Friday, tomorrow night, we're going to be playing chess and having cocktails and playing pool with some of the viewers, man, that showed up and some friends. And then Saturday, we're having a barbecue at 1 p.m. That's going to be sick. And then Saturday night, I have a huge music show set up. It's going to be great. I got a killer band. Band's going to do half the night. Then I'm going to get up and do the other half. And it's going to be freaking killer.
So perhaps I go now. I bid thee, and once.
Okay. Wait. There's the loot, folks. Darkmoon Greatsword. Oh, did she give me clothes or something? Doesn't she give me clothes, and that means I'm like a free hobbit to where you can't keep me as a prisoner anymore or something? Okay. Oh yeah, now we can run out of here, right? Really wish I could make it, man. Going to be great. Oh, dude, I know, man. I wish you could too, my brother. Okay, now. Okay, so there is no way out of here. Oh, this way. I told you there's a secret path, guys. And then there's other dragons over here that I used to kill on the regular. Now I just don't care so much anymore about killing these dragons. Oh, this drops me back into Linernia, huh? Isn't that cool? Now I'm just in Linernia. Okay, I can come back here. I grabbed that grace where I poured it in, right? Yeah, it's gonna be really cool, my brother. I wish you could be here, man. I'm glad Trey's coming. He's gonna make it. Billy Mullenix is coming. Brian Raturski, chess player, is coming. Mike Stagner's already freaking here. How cool is that? Guys, looks like we're gonna just try and keep a tradition here at Charlie Sardo game. It's not up here, is it? That stupid dragon's not gonna let me look. No, I just came from there. Whoa. Looks like parkour opportunities. Whoa, that scared the crap out of me. Am I dead now? Dude. Okay, can I drop from there maybe? I have 372,000 runes. Yeah, that's definitely a level for this guy. Okay, now let me just look at my freaking map. Oh, I think I see it. Yeah, it's over there, guys. So I'm like, I gotta bring it around town, guys. Guys, if I don't bring it around town, we're never gonna get there. That thing is still awake, bro. What, they all wake up at the same time or something? Where they're like sisters? Okay, calm down. I'm on the ground. Dude, I thought I was dead. Whoa. This area is a little bit dangerous for me, guys. I'm not qualified to ride around on a horse with so many cliff sides. Okay, now, last time I did this, I wanted to no-hit it. And when I got hit, I kept going and finished it. I think we might actually go for a true no-hit this time. And it's going to be hard with these swords, but we got a little bit of range. You know what I'm saying? And they slap, right? They slap. We don't have to do anything till we go in. And what kind of damage? Well, damage doesn't matter. Like, damage doesn't matter because we're not going to take any damage. So I want, like, all stuff that's going to help me slap. Like, for instance, ritual sword talisman. No. I don't have a ritual sword talisman. Where do you get that? I don't freaking have one on this character. I don't have one on this. How do I not have a ritual sword talisman? That's not hard to get, is it? I could Google it, man. I mean, see something like this will help me kill this guy. Isn't it Gigla? Lux Ruins. Well, I'm gonna go in and see how hard we slap. I already got him. I couldn't have already got him, right? Why won't let me go in, guys? Is there like a secret? Oh, I'm already in. I'm already in. That's why. Oh, I almost pulled him, guys. I almost pulled him. Now, one thing we could do, I want to try the no-hit, but yeah, I am going to try the no-hit. Whoa. Now I kind of got to turn around, though. So I need a CTFD. And there's my spot. Come on, Seaster. Come on, Seaster. Targeting is what was getting. Whoa, he almost went up the edge, guys. Oh, I got hit, though. I hate you. I hate you for hitting me, bro. Well, it's only 372,000 runes. Ritual Sword Talisman is in the Lux Ruins, where the demi-humans are in Altus Plateau, northwest is from Lift of Dectus. He hit me, but I don't remember how he hit me. I didn't feel it. Does he doesn't have one of them stupid little debuffs, does he? Yes. Wait. I'm like, wait, where's my freaking runes? Yeah, that's pretty generous that they will let you get your runes back from an Everjail. Northwest is from the huge lift. I could go from Erdtree Gazing, I think, right? But isn't there some, like, way up high and some way down low, and I think I need to go... Well, we'll see. Yeah, these right here. But there's, like... Yeah. The cellar's up here or something, right? The cellar's up there. Can I not get there from here? The one right... Yeah. Well, I see the... What do you mean, the lift? There's the Lux Ruins, right? But I feel like the... Oh, you mean the Grace right next to the lift? I don't... Oh, this one. Altus Plateau, you mean? And then run northwest? Yeah. Then I can be on the right level, right? Yep. and then run northwest. Got you. Okay, and pretty much north. Yep, because now I'm where I... up above from where I was. Ritual sword talisman wouldn't have helped me with much with getting hit right there. Is there like a... Here it is. Oh God, no. Guys, I almost blew that. I almost had to play Elden Ring. That would have sucked. You're gonna melt this guy. Yeah, I completely screwed up too. I jump attacked nothing too early. Okay, now this will slap a little bit more with to be honest. Yeah, let me see, where's that sucker? Right here. Yeah. That comes in handy on the old no-hit runs. Right? Moonlight altar. I'm gonna wait till the moonlight altar. Guys, I don't play enough guitar, man. And I got a little show I gotta pick on a little bit, guys, on Saturday. I was thinking about freaking trying to play a little bit of guitar tonight because go this way. Thing is, now I can't. This is still the way to go. Because I'm not gonna have a lot of time to warm up. Like when you're playing pretty regularly, playing 4 or 5 gigs a week, it still takes you a couple minutes to warm up and like really start playing. You know, but guys, I don't play that much guitar anymore. I played my open mic, a few songs. Did a gig last Friday. Yes. And, ooh. I actually could have mixed a better physic, but it's cool. Wow. He hit me. No. That might be my buffs. It might be my buffs, guys. I think that was my buffs. He hit me. Son of a gun. I suck at this game and I'm mad. I literally was just looking at my OBS that whole time. For a long time. Screw him. I didn't get my no hit. That last time I got hit, guys, I think that was my buff. That dude's nothing, man. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Oh. Yeah, we got a ton of rooms, man. Let's come over here. Just back to the grace so I can show you what I'm talking about. When I do this, see that? It gives me a... So remember when I said he hit me and I didn't see how? It's just that my health pool got bigger, but I wasn't healed. Yeah. But he still did hit me. Now, I don't understand how my mixer over here looks different. But everything seems to be okay. Okay. Dude, what the hell do I do? What the hell do I Elden Ring, guys? System. Here. Game, yes. We gotta check our situation, guys, and see what the hell we're working on right now. Because I was I mean, I could go freaking working on Radagon with that melee build. That's probably the move, guys. That's the next big thing. That's the next big thing, and that's gonna take a long time to kill. Breaking load game, and that one was this guy. Yeah, this is NG10, guys. Journey 11. Yeah, almost, but not quite, man. Not quite. I cannot believe we got those freaking Godfreys. I'm gonna harp on it forever because I'll never stop believing it. Here we go. Streamer comes on at an opportune time. All right, let's go in. And let's do better, folks. Try to jump. I didn't take too much damn though. Because of the I've got to roll into those, man. That was well worth it. I told you I got to roll into those. Into the invisible ones. When she's near me, I got to roll forward it. I got greedy. Stop swinging. Did I get the golden veil off? Does anyone know the rules on that? This is worth it. Watch him. I gotta watch him when he does his look. See which way he's looking. I'm a clueless fool now. I'll figure it out. Oh, wow. I thought that was the other attack. Okay. Stabby. Okay. This is NG plus 11, guys. NG plus 10, okay? So I have to remember that he's not going to make it easy. That was good. That was not bad. Radagon went kind of quick, right? Radagon was kind of fun. So let us see if we can't do a little better. You know what I think I might do, guys? I think I might freaking play guitar. I think I might just, I got a big weekend ahead, guys. So I think I'm going to call it here. I want to thank you guys for being here. If you like what you see, throw me subscribe and a like would be great. Sharing is cool. If you just got here, if you got here late, guys, the beginning of this video is shocking. To me, anyway. You will see me shocked. Yeah, I'm sorry I'm not going to go real late, guys. I've been on an adrenaline dump since the 2 Godfreys, and then the freaking Elden Beast, I didn't think I was going to be able to do either, and now I'm just like, I'm like getting nervous. I'm thinking like, man, you should be doing other stuff right now. I got a big weekend, and I'm going to be posting, guys, I'm going to be going live to my Facebook, Charlie Sardo Gaming. If you want to check that out, you'll see some of our real life meetup this weekend. It's going to be freaking cool. It's going to be freaking cool. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Drew, Billy, thank you for the help. Caleb, love you, brother. Everybody, man. Freaking love you guys. War Alibi, thanks for being here, dude. Thanks for hanging, bro. Enjoy your new build, man. And I will catch you guys later.